Hi friends, good evening. Sorry, actually I wanted to put a lot of videos because most of the stocks are looking very interesting. But my mother-in-law got hospitalized yesterday, so I'm running around hospital to home, and then in the meantime, in case if I had any time, I'm putting a few videos. Now I want to discuss BPCL, which was looking very attractive. So I'll share the screen, and first we will go with the number game. The number game coincides at 423. The medium term number is at 423. Last time we bought, but it came and hit the stop loss. So now it is again, looking attractive. So that's why I just want to put a video. So I'll share the screen and then we'll discuss more about BPCL. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now this is on a day candle. Okay, so if you see here, it is D. So it is on a day candle. Okay, so now based on the trend line, it is giving amazing support of the trend line because the 200-day SMA, this black color line, okay, the wave type, it is giving amazing support. See, whenever it came, it bounced. It came, bounced, came, bounced, came, bounced. So now it is well above, and if you draw a trend line from the above, it is closed above the trend line on 23rd. Okay, first time, like ICICI Bank, the video which I put, and this trend line also giving amazing support. And if you take the low of this trend line is 402. Okay, so the ultimate stop loss is 402. Okay, now coming to trend change date, this 16th April was a trend change date for BPCL. Okay, the high made was 423 and the low made was 404. So anything above 423, it's a buy. And based on the yearly trend change date, which happened on 19th Jan, okay, 19th Jan, okay, the high was 418 and the low was 408. So I made that a number here. In the blue color line, I made it as 418, and in the red color, I made it as 408. So above 418 closing itself, it is bullish because see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last 7 candles, it is not able to close above this 418. The first time it closed above 418. Okay. So now based on this trend line to this trend line, the target it says is 511. This is number one. The stop loss is 402. You can enter at 423. In case if the market comes down and you get it at 402, the stop loss is not more than 1 rupee. Okay, so watch out for this counter. Put it in your watch list. Put as 402 as a buying rate. So whenever you get it, you buy. The stop loss is max. You can keep it as 1%, which is 4 rupees. According to me, I think 1 rupee is 2 rupees is more than enough for this target. The for 100 rupees target. Okay, so now this is based on daily. And if you go to weekly, the same combination is happening here also. And this is 200-day SMA. This black color line is 200-day SMA. Maybe I can change it to blue color so that it will be visible for you. Okay, so now this blue color is 200-day SMA. So now it closed about 200-day SMA again. And see, every time it closed only, but now what is good is it is the trend line also matching. If you take the low from here, which is 23rd March 2020, where Nifty made a bottom this year, and every time it takes a support, and here also it is taking a support. Okay, and last week, that is 12th April weekly candle is the major trend change candle, weekly candle for BPCL. Okay, not this week, before that. Okay, so the high made was maybe I'll put a line. The high made was 423 and the low made was 402. Okay, so based on this trend weekly trend change week also above 423 it is buy, and this trend line also is supporting that above 423 it is a buy. And if you go to the bigger picture, see this bigger picture is, that is why actually I want to put a video on this. See, if you take, oh, 1 second, I just want to just a minute, sorry. Okay, so now it is on a weekly front. First, it has made one cup and handle pattern. So above this handle, it's by, which is again 423. Okay, and the first target is 480. Based on this handle, the first target is 480, and based on this cup, okay, the target is 646. Okay, so now again, if you, there is one more thing which is formed. Now this is a very big picture of BPCL, and this I made on 23 October 2017. Okay, from there again it made a cup and handle pattern. 11, I think 11th November 2019, it has clearly gave a cup and handle pattern, but it failed to give a breakout. Okay, so November 2019, it failed to give a breakout and started coming down. And the only thing is, it is not close to below this low, which is 236. Somehow it managed at 252 and then it bounced. Okay, so now if you draw a trend line from here, from this high, okay, and connect this high and connect this high, if you see, it is exactly giving a support here. You're able to see. So this trend line from here, if you draw a trend line, it is giving support here. So that is why, I want to, because the bigger picture is something else. It says that, the target is roughly around 863, which is double. The stop loss is only 402. So I think we can take a chance in this counter, but how long it takes, that I need to definitely work based on dates, cycle and other stuff. But as of now, it looks good. First target is 480. Second target on a daily basis, if you see, it is 511, and the next target, if you see on a weekly front, it is 646, and the last target which it says is 863. With a small stop loss, I think we can take a chance. Believe me, if you get at 402, the stop loss is only 3 rupees. So I've already prepared my PPT, so I'll send it to you in the night. Maybe there will be a small fall on 27th, because 27th was a very important day. Based on previous data for the last 20 years, I am predicting that 27th will be a gap down. Let's wait and watch. So this looks interesting. Watch out. Thanks a lot.